What's up, everyone? Here at the Farmersville Engineering Academy, wanted to share something coming straight out of our academy that helps get used to the manufacturing process within the Vex Robotics parts, so that you can create custom parts by modifying other parts, such as a gearbox that is non-typical for the particular radiuses. So what it will end up showing you is drill alignment guides. So these drill alignment guides can be 3D printed. You can model them up in Fusion 360 or other CAD. We prefer Fusion 360, but then you can 3D print them. You can put them on the material and go about your business. So in the other video, we showed you, kind of a quick overview of the design of these things. And what happens is we all design these, and then we can 3D print these, and it's 3D printing used for the manufacturing of Vex parts, which is really cool, because if you don't have access to a lot of mills or other tools, you can still get things done. But I'm going to go over a couple things of how we use these. So this is the alignment guide, and what's really cool, if you don't have a 3D printer, you can still print this off, and this print is a 1-to-1 scale. So when you put this 3D printed piece on here, it aligns perfectly. So then the really cool thing is you can take your 3D printed piece, put it over here on your C channel, fits right in the slot, and you can go about your business using this super powerful tool, which is a pencil, to make the marks that you're needing. You don't have to use a pencil. You can also use a metal scribe. So this looks like a pen, looks like a pencil. The tip is hardened, so you can mark on material. The Vex aluminum's pretty soft, so you can mark on that, or you can use a center punch. So these center punches allow you to put the tip into the part and then punch. So once you do that, you can align your drill tip a whole lot better, or locate and find and then drill. So I wanted to show this off just because if you're using drill bits, they have a tendency to walk, right? So you're spinning something, it wants to spin and go based on where the flutes are. So center drills have a really good point on them, and they allow you to put them even in a hand drill and start drilling a point. And what it'll do, it'll make a groove to where your other drill bit will seat correctly. So you're not drilling all the way through with this, it's just a center drill. So you can get the center ready to use your drill bit. So we have quite a few miniature mills, and the problem with the miniature mills is it's the setup time and hole locating. And if you use a template like this, you can place it on your material, make your marks, and then you can start manufacturing your part a lot faster. So there's times where we want things located on the manual mills that we use, and there are times where when you're producing multiple parts, you don't have a full week to get that one single or 5 pieces you need. So then you'll make some type of drill jig, and you can 3D print. So we have a few of the Anycubic Mega X's. They work really well. They hold tolerances really tight, and so you can produce things like this. So this is 3D printing using Vex Robotics competition, and we're not creating a part for the robot, but we're creating super awesome drill guides and other types of jigs, so when we're working with these parts, we can manufacture them properly. So this is Farmersville Engineering Academy. Thank you for joining us on our journey, and we'll continue to share.